Welcome to this demonstration of Astro, Exitech Corporation's advanced star trainer. To get started, the student selects the exercise, reviews the procedure, and begins the training session. It's that easy. Astro helps the student to learn the principles of stop, think, act, review. To aid this, the student is using the on-screen procedure to check off step completion. In this first run of the exercise, the student fails to follow the procedure. He or she is presented with the indications of the failure. The actions that the student takes can be reviewed on the Trainee Performance Monitor for quick remediation. Now the exercise is reloaded, and the student will successfully complete the exercise as defined by the procedure. Verifying alarms, meter readings, and lamp or switch status are important parts of the exercise. You will notice that the student is using the on-screen procedure to check off step completion. This may be done with a hard copy also, printed with the printer icon at the top left of the procedure. As the student completes the procedural steps, the compliance engine tracks adherence. This exercise is untimed, but timing may be incorporated into the exercise. As the procedure is finished, the student is notified of the successful exercise completion. He or she may load another exercise if desired. This clip shows how easy it is to make a new exercise using an existing panel. When making the new exercise, the procedure and compliance requirements are automatically generated. The user only has to save the name and save the files. Here, the user is changing from student to instructor mode using a password. To start making a procedure and compliance requirements, the instructor only has to run the exercise after loading a unique panel configuration. Astro will track every panel manipulation and verification to generate the procedure and compliance. Here, the new exercise is called Student Demo New. Reload Student Demo New, which does not have any associated procedure or compliance yet. When the exercise is run, switches are manipulated and a lamp is verified. The user saves the compliance file after reviewing the steps. The user also saves the procedure after reviewing and modifying the file. The procedure is stored in RTF format using Microsoft WordPad. The user may revise the file in any way desired, keeping in mind that the procedures must match the compliance requirements. The user now reloads the exercise called Student Demo New. This brings in the newly made procedure and compliance requirements. After showing the procedure, the user verifies the new exercise by running each step of the procedure. In just a few minutes, we have made and verified a completely new exercise, which can be used as part of the training curriculum. Procedure compliance complete means that the new exercise tests correctly. We will make a new panel using the extensive library of panel objects which come with Astro. Any panel template can be selected. Here, select the default panel. Going into instructor mode, the user is allowed to hide, add, move, relabel, or reconfigure any panel object. Panel color may also be changed and will be illustrated in a few minutes. Astro is most easily used when manipulating a set of controls and objects which reflect the target panel. You may make your own set of objects using standard photo editors. The new objects can be incorporated into different panels, which may be used as standard templates. Making any number of panel variations becomes a simple matter of hiding, adding, and moving objects. Astro is delivered with full documentation, which explains how to create new panel objects. Or, Exitech can create the new objects for you from photographs. Whether done by you or by Exitech, user transparency is one of the goals in designing and adapting new panels and panel objects. The objects are moved from the default position to a position more in line with the target panel. The changed panel configuration is saved for later use.